haven't been here in such a while. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Episode 16, Milkshake Wednesdays. I haven't been to go to Joe's in quite a while, so as you can tell, I'm pretty excited. There's going to be a couple of guys there, so yeah, definitely keen to check out the cars. I haven't seen them in a while. I know Trooper's going to be there. Got some sad news about that, but yeah, I'll let you know about that when we get there. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content lately. A lot of Ford Figo content for the boys out there, you know. Check out the yunekoriginals.com webpage and subscribe for a set a reminder, because the website will be launching soon where you guys can grab yourself some merch and support the channel. So thanks for joining, and let's pull through. Good evening.
Good evening, how's it going?
Good evening, John.
720. Then you can see. That's how I see. I wear my Brazilian like in here. That's how I see it. How they should be used, my brother.
How's the chips?
No.
It's been a long time, eh?
Yeah, dude, it's been
How's it, right? Good?
It's holiday 8 weeks, dude. Since we last had a fucking meet.
Really?
Dude, 8 weeks.
Say it, John. Okay, yeah.
How's it going?
Good in you. Brandon, nice to meet you. Brandon, nice to meet you. Which car's yours? This? Oh, wait, sick. This is pretty dope, dude. This is Mark 2 Escort.
Yeah.
Really dope. What motor do you have in? Ooh, shit. Crazy.
You think we can
Sure.
see it?
Does he want to show the kahunas? Sheldon's here. The man was inquiring about the clothing. Josh got his car back. My car is here with the new lights, you guys. Saw the mod of that. If you haven't checked out that video, you could check it out after this video. But yeah, Sheldon's car's here. Nice 6 Scirocco. The blue, I think it's M140 or M135. Been on it before, but yeah, pretty dope night. I'm just gonna quickly make something sick for you guys to enjoy, so let's go. From video 2 weeks ago, Dominique just picked up his car, wasn't ready to make boost yet. It's still got another dyno session to go, but he says so far it really pulls already. Really excited to see what it feels like. Last time I was in Morris's car, it was a wet road, so it's going to be completely different conditions. Holy shit. Okay, compared to that night with Morris's car was nothing. They were just sliding everywhere. This actually grips. Jeez. This is at 1.2 bar now, eh?
Yeah,
Still got a couple of it sounds so wild. Yeah. Dude, like I can imagine why you just like driving this car. Yeah, it sounds so nice. Subi's always, as I told Mario, Subi's been my favorite like since I was a kid. Like you can't get over the rumble. But it still sounds pretty nice. Sure. Optimus Racing does insane work, guys. If you have a Subi, to basically go high boost.
Yeah,
I'm sure
next week.
And we're like, what are you gonna do off the car afterwards? You gonna like do track days, or is it just driving around every day? Oh yeah, this is like the best daily in the whole world. We were wondering earlier, what how the hell did it go so far down? But the car just goes so quickly that you know, it just challs the road so quickly. Jeez. You can definitely feel the four-wheel drive working in this. Like it really puts the power down so well. It's a big point, I think. Guys, as you remember in the video that I'm... Oh, that's a nice little backfire. Do you remember in the video that I made at Marius's shop? You would have seen the turbo that was on here. Do you remember the specs of that?
Yeah, it's 5062
Precision. Yes. Jeez. So you guys know the power those can make. And he's got all the supporting mods, Mishimoto. The names are on this car. It's really wild, and just to see all the parts coming together. And as I usually say, like, it's cool to see the cars in the SA starting to be built like that, because you always just see the shit on YouTube and you're like, wow, wish there was someone like that. Well, Dominique, yeah, definitely got one of the best Subarus I've ever been in. I think I can say like the best Subaru I've been in my life. Hardest pulling Subaru as well. I love everything about this car, the wheel color, the caliper color. Yeah, it's just crazy.
No, it's not slow how it is already, eh? It's not slow at all.
Well, I'm sure they can see how my head was like being pushed back into the seat. I told Marius as well, like this is just completely different to a Golf, because in a Golf you see the clocks climb, but it just doesn't do the same, it doesn't push you back in the seat. With this, yeah, if you don't have a safety belt on, the seat will definitely cushion you enough. Off speed. Oh.
I'm just gonna keep it light. I'm not gonna make it in time.
Yeah, so brakes failed. Shit. Oops.
Yeah, way too fast. You need to, like, you know.
We caught it yellow. We caught it at yellow. In South Africa, red is yellow and green. So
now you must work out as well. Like lengthwise, is there room? Yes or no? You know. So
you need to plan 2 robots ahead in this car. So for the next 500 meters ahead of you, it needs to be open and there needs to be a green light, or it needs to be going green. Otherwise, yeah, it's over. Yeah. I can't get over this sound.
nice.
Jeez. Yeah, when we do that video, I'm gonna put that bike right by the exhaust and by the screamer, just so you guys can hear it probably quite compared to usual.
Yeah. Plus it's not wet as well, which is a good thing.
Exactly, and it's really, like, guys, it's putting down the grip like you don't understand. I wish you guys could experience this. The idle is really dope. We were saying it was loud, but it actually, with this pipe, like with the exhaust the way it is, it's actually like kind of perfect.
Yeah.
And like the people ahead of you would know to just get the fuck out of the way, because
Yeah, it's so loud.
when you see the headlights dipping as well, then you know. Yes. Smiles for miles, that's what they say. Definitely, well, there's no translation for kilometers, so I'm just going to keep it as miles for miles, but definitely
It's worth it.
it's worth it. Jeez. Nice little backfire. Jeez. Thank you, Dominic, I really appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Guys, do you have a Facebook or Instagram page for the car?
No.
Not really.
No.
Well, we'll see him soon after his next dyno day. Really excited to see the end result. It's really insane already, so I can't even begin to describe what it's going to be like when it's fully boosting. Marius, well done again. Jeez, absolutely insane work. Really love it. Now the person going for a ride along. Jock is gonna go just get his mind absolutely fucking blown by the Subi. Guys, Dominic Such a sick guy, really awesome build, and I can't wait to see what it's going to be like on 1.8 bar boost, because it's currently at 1.2, so it's still a lot to go. He just took Jock out, as you guys saw, so we're just waiting for them to come back. See them fucking rip past.
Son never felt more love from your father. No father ever felt more proud of his son.
That ST does not stand a chance. On that note, guys, thank you for joining for episode 16 of Milkshake Wednesday. Absolutely insane. Thank you, Dominic, for the ride along. Your car is absolutely wild. He said next week he'll come back when the car's on high boost, so definitely keen to check that out. Guys, please remember, it's absolutely free. It doesn't take anything from you just to like the video. It really helps the algorithm, helps the video get out there a bit more, get the content to more viewers, to more people. Thank you guys for supporting so much. I really appreciate it. Remember to set your reminder for yunekoriginals.com. The website is going to be live within the next 2 or 3 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Hope you guys are safe, hope you guys are doing well. Keep the positive vibes flowing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Memphis, man.